Gas prices are still soaring, especially in California, where some are paying over $8 for regular unleaded gas. Kurt, the CyberGuy, is live at a Los Angeles Shell station with a first-hand look. Kurt, what do you have?
Hey, Rachel, good morning to you. Out here in California, outrageous. Right here, look at that, $7.30 for premium, $7 for regular in LA. California, not the place to be for gas prices. And if you think that's bad, head up the coast and look at this. In the Central Coast town of Big Sur, a guy named Matt Shoup posted this week. $9.80 for premium when he was on the side of the road and had to fill up. Unbelievable prices out here. The states right here with the most expensive gas as we wake up on Saturday morning. California leading the way, the most expensive in the nation. Hawaii, Nevada, Arizona, Illinois following that. Right here at the gas station I'm standing at, look at that. $7.29. And you know it's $29.9, so it's really $7.30 out of your pocket to fill up the tank of your car. Just to put in a top off of my Ford truck would have been about $176 here at the station. Unbelievable. Costco's still the cheapest place, really, for fuel, no matter where you are in the country. But the question is, do you want to wait now the growing lines there, or do you want to use some techniques from, well, technology that can lower the price when you're at stations like this one or in your hometown? But first, let's get you to a warning this morning with GasBuddy, a very popular app used by many people to find cheap gas nearby. A privacy concern now having me remove it from my list of recommended apps for this kind of stuff. If you dig into the GasBuddy app, they're selling location, but even more. If you join their drives program where they say you can save money on gas and insurance, look at this. GasBuddy can share certain information from your devices, including precise location and phone sensor data. You'll want to be very cautious of that. Have a look online, and also look at the cheap ways of doing it as Google Maps, Waze. Geico's got a cheap gas search engine, and use the GasBuddy website without registering, and you'll be in much better shape. If you want to check out all the apps on your phone and this GasBuddy's there and how to remove this location being shared, you can see it at cyberguy.com. I'll show you there. Meanwhile, I downloaded the Shell app and just got 10 cents off here, which pays to do that.
Yeah.
Rachel?
It helps, Kurt, but at $7, oh my goodness, that's crazy.
Every little bit.
Every little bit. You're right. Thanks, Kurt.